Bloody day for Bitcoin, or bloody night. And this dump, just before this dump, few hours before, we had this kind of situation. At first, big outflow of stablecoins on spot exchanges, and after that, big inflow of stablecoins on derivative exchanges. And that situation told us to give you a signal, not just to short, but give a attention signal. Attention signal. I will translate it right now because our tools are still in Polish. We are going to make it in English. Maybe when will be greater move on this channel, greater amount of people on this channel. So possible big price change in next hours. Possible big price change in next hours. We gave you that signal right here at this moment. So this kind of situation is teaching us that if we add inflow of stablecoins to derivatives and outflow of stablecoins to spot exchanges, like here, for example, also, it may cause dump of price. And other indicators are the same. There's nothing changed since yesterday. So fees, long-term hodlers, and we didn't spoke about funding rates and open interest before on this channel. So I will tell you something, that we have this open interest RSI, 30 days RSI, and we can speculate that this RSI can go even lower next couple of weeks. It may be because of the whole global situation. Whole global situation is that Nayib Bukele, the CEO of Salvador, the president of Salvador, is buying Bitcoin at $48,000. Also, Michael Saylor is telling everyone that he's buying Bitcoin right now, etc. So this kind of situation maybe could be possibly lucrative for some people around the globe, because of that hype of Bitcoin. People are buying Bitcoin. The countries want to implement Bitcoin, like Salvador just implemented few months ago. Maybe Panama will implement. Maybe other countries. So maybe some group of interest around the world would be happy if Bitcoin won't be at high levels soon. Maybe some group of interest, people who rule the world, who print the money, would be happy if Bitcoin would be under this price of 48,000, 45,000 when Nayib Bukele was buying his dips. So maybe some people would be happy if Bitcoin will be low few weeks or maybe few months more, or maybe who knows, few years. But we have to analyze whole market. We have to analyze on-chain data metrics, this kind of metrics we have on our channels, and also the fundamental news informations. So remember that don't hurry up right now. Don't hurry up. Don't be hurry. Just better to wait a little more than just buy your dips, which some of you may assume that they are just here. So maybe it's better sometimes to wait a little more and observe the situation, analyze the situation, than just buy and lose more. Okay, so wait for fundamental news, wait for some good situation from Google News, from Cointelegraph, anywhere, or wait for some big inflow on spot exchanges, maybe stablecoins on spot exchanges, big inflow on these tools, or big outflow of Bitcoin on spot exchanges. So wait for this kind of news. All right. So for today, that's all. If this channel will grow, of course, we will give you English version of our tools soon. All right. So thanks everyone, and see ya.